She did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about her was always impossible to overlook. With a rare blend of quiet confidence, emotional maturity, and natural screen presence, Miya Cech didn't simply enter Hollywood as another young actress. She crafted an identity of her own, transforming childhood passion and unwavering dedication into one of the most promising careers of her generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 4th, 2007, in Tokyo, Japan, and raised in California after being adopted by an American family, Miya Cech's journey began far from the major studios of Hollywood. From an early age, she displayed an interest in storytelling, creativity, and performance. Acting became more than just a hobby. It became the way she explored different emotions and connected with people through meaningful characters. Her professional career began with television appearances, commercials, and guest roles that gradually introduced her to the entertainment industry. While still very young, she impressed casting directors with her maturity, discipline, and ability to deliver emotionally convincing performances. Each project became another opportunity to develop her skills and prepare for larger roles. Her breakthrough came through films and streaming productions including The Darkest Minds, Rim of the World, Always Be My Maybe, and the critically acclaimed Netflix series Beef. These performances demonstrated her versatility, allowing her to move comfortably between science fiction, drama, comedy, and coming-of-age stories while steadily building an international audience. A defining milestone arrived when Netflix announced Miya Cech as Toph for Season 2 of the live-action adaptation of Avatar: The Last Airbender. Toph is widely regarded as one of the franchise's most iconic characters, making the casting one of the most anticipated announcements among fans worldwide. The role elevated Miya's profile significantly and introduced her to an even broader global audience. By 2026, Miya Cech is recognized as one of Hollywood's most exciting young performers. Industry professionals praise her emotional range and adaptability. Audiences appreciate her authenticity, and filmmakers increasingly view her as an actress capable of carrying major productions. Her career reflects steady growth built on consistent performances rather than overnight fame. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and discipline. Despite working in one of the world's most competitive industries, she continues to prioritize education, personal development, and creative exploration. She maintains a relatively private public image, allowing her work to remain the primary focus of public attention. Her fashion presence has also continued to evolve. Whether attending movie premieres, promotional events, or award ceremonies, Miya embraces elegant and contemporary styles that complement her youthful personality. Her natural confidence and understated elegance have attracted increasing attention from fashion photographers and luxury brands. While curiosity about her personal life continues to grow alongside her career, Miya remains thoughtful about maintaining privacy. She consistently focuses interviews on acting, creative inspiration, and future projects rather than personal headlines. Industry colleagues frequently describe her as hardworking, respectful, and exceptionally professional for her age. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects earnings from successful films, streaming productions, television appearances, commercial partnerships, and brand collaborations. Beyond financial success, she has established herself as one of the brightest emerging talents in Hollywood with tremendous long-term potential. What many people admire most is her authenticity. She approaches every role with sincerity and preparation, allowing audiences to connect naturally with her performances. Rather than chasing attention, she continues to build a career based on skill, versatility, and genuine artistic growth. Miya Cech's journey is marked by determination rather than circumstance. From a young girl discovering acting in California to portraying the legendary Toph in one of Netflix's biggest fantasy productions, her rise reflects dedication, resilience, and remarkable talent. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of Hollywood's next generation, confident, versatile, and built for lasting success. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a family of Hollywood royalty, yet there was always something about him that stood apart. With natural charisma, sharp comedic timing, and an ability to balance confidence with vulnerability, Ian Ousley didn't simply become another young actor on television. He steadily built a reputation as a performer capable of bringing heart, humor, and authenticity to every role. By stepping into the iconic role of Sokka in Avatar, The Last Airbender, he introduced himself to a worldwide audience and became one of the most recognizable young stars of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on March 28, 2002, in College Station, Texas, United States, Ian Ousley developed an interest in performing from an early age. While many children explored different hobbies, he found himself drawn toward acting and entertainment. Alongside his passion for performing, he also dedicated years to martial arts, earning recognition through competitive training. That combination of discipline, athleticism, and confidence would later become one of his greatest strengths as an actor. His professional journey began with appearances in television productions, gradually gaining experience in front of the camera. Rather than arriving through overnight success, Ian built his career one role at a time, learning from each project while developing a relaxed yet engaging screen presence. His performances in family and teen-oriented television series demonstrated both versatility and reliability, earning him growing attention within the industry. A defining turning point came when he was cast as Sokka in Netflix's live-action adaptation of Avatar, The Last Airbender. Taking on such a beloved character came with enormous expectations from fans around the world. Sokka is known for his humor, intelligence, leadership, and emotional growth, qualities that required much more than simple comedic delivery. Ian approached the challenge with dedication, balancing the character's lighthearted personality with moments of maturity and courage. As the series continued into its second season, his portrayal gained even greater recognition. Season 2 expands Sokka's responsibilities, relationships, and personal development, allowing Ian to showcase a broader emotional range while participating in larger action sequences. His chemistry with fellow cast members and commitment to the source material further strengthened his reputation among audiences. By 2026, Ian Ousley is regarded as one of the promising young actors emerging from the new generation of streaming television. Industry observers recognize his adaptability, directors appreciate his professionalism, and viewers connect with his approachable personality. His career reflects consistent growth rather than sudden fame, supported by careful project selection and continuous improvement. Away from the cameras, Ian maintains an active and balanced lifestyle. Years of martial arts training continue to influence his physical conditioning, discipline, and confidence. Fitness remains an important part of his routine, especially while preparing for physically demanding roles that require stunt work and action choreography. He also enjoys spending time with friends, traveling, and sharing occasional moments from his daily life with fans through social media. His fashion style reflects his personality, modern, casual, and comfortable. Whether attending premieres, promotional events, or interviews, Ian generally favors clean, contemporary looks without appearing overly extravagant. His public image remains approachable, allowing fans to relate to him both on and off-screen. Although public interest often extends to his personal relationships, Ian keeps much of his private life away from constant media attention. Instead of allowing speculation to define his image, he consistently focuses on acting, professional development, and connecting with audiences through his performances. Those who have worked alongside him frequently describe him as hardworking, friendly, and eager to learn from every opportunity. As of 2026, Ian Ousley's estimated net worth reflects earnings from television productions, streaming projects, brand collaborations, public appearances, and other entertainment ventures. While still early in his career compared to many established actors, his growing international popularity suggests significant long-term potential within both television and film. What many fans admire most is his ability to remain genuine despite increasing recognition. Whether delivering Sokka's trademark humor or portraying emotionally meaningful scenes, Ian brings sincerity that resonates with audiences. His willingness to embrace challenging roles while remaining grounded has become one of the defining qualities of his career. Ian Ousley's journey continues to evolve with each new project. From a young performer developing his skills in Texas to portraying one of the most iconic characters in modern fantasy television, his rise reflects determination, discipline, and a genuine passion for storytelling. As he continues building his career in 2026, he stands as one of Hollywood's most promising young talents, focused, adaptable, and prepared for an exciting future. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.